Tutorial on this trend style. Get the clips you want to use ready. Click on first clip, then go speed curve. Delete second and third beat, then copy my graph. Duplicate it, then reverse the duplicated clip. Go on last clip, then click on speed curve and do exact graph like on first clip. Duplicate it, then reverse it, duplicate it again and reverse it. Go on first clip and add keyframe at start and end, then zoom in on second keyframe. Go next clip and add keyframe, but zoom in on first keyframe. Go on your normal clip and add keyframe at start and end, then zoom in on first keyframe. Go next clip and add keyframe at start and end, then zoom in on last keyframe. Go graph, then add cubic out on normal clip, then cubic in on reversed clip. Go effect and add rebound swing. Make speed and intensity to 100, size on 0. Make it last on first clip, then add keyframe at start and end. Make intensity 0 on last keyframe. Go effect and add shape. Make it last on first clip, then make speed 25, intensity 75. Add keyframe at start and end, then make intensity 0 on last keyframe. Go filters and add negative. Add it on second clip, then make it the shortest size. Like favorite and repost if this helped. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment telling us what you'd like to see next. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.